Welcome back to MK's Kitchen. Hey guys, how are you? Guess what we cooking today? We're going to Italy to do some Italiano, and we're gonna make some baked spaghettio. So let's get into today's ingredients, guys. Let's go. I have some mild Italian ground sausage, some leftover beef that I have from a previous meal from yesterday that we're going to use. We have some chopped bell peppers and onions and celery in here. We have our favorite Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, some spaghetti noodles, our 6-cheese Italian blend, Parmesan cheese, the seasonings. We have crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce. We have cream cheese, sour cream, and cottage cheese. We have also set our oven to 350 degrees. We have this boiler going on because we're getting ready to cook our spaghetti. And we also have this boiler on so we can brown our meat. So let's get into it, guys. All right, y'all, so we have our meat on in here getting browned. We're gonna just let that brown some. We're gonna get to seasoning our meat. So let's go ahead and get to doing that. We have, of course, black pepper. We have our Himalayan pink salt. We have some crushed red pepper. We have parsley. We have some garlic powder. You could also use garlic paste, minced garlic, whatever you want. We have Italian seasoning. And we're going to add our bell peppers, onions, a little bit of celery. And if you don't too much like onion, bell peppers, use less. Don't worry. As it cooks, I'm gonna sweat and get on down so you won't taste too much of a strong onion flavor. Like I said, we're gonna keep letting this brown, and we'll be back when it got a little color to it. All right, y'all, so our meat is just about brown, and since it's about halfway done, we're gonna go ahead and add in our crushed tomatoes. And we're going to add in our Prego fresh mushroom sauce. Prego. We're gonna stir that on in now. And we're gonna let this simmer for about 15-20 minutes. You'll know when it's done because I'll be back to show you. On top of that, we have our spaghetti in the boiler. It is cooking. It'll be done in a few minutes as well. We just working it, y'all. We trying to go to Italy, y'all. We gonna get there. So I'll be back to show y'all in a minute. Our meat is simmering and our pasta is cooking. Let's get into this cheesy filling that's gonna be in the middle. We're gonna take 1 block of our cream cheese. We're gonna take 8 ounces of our sour cream. We're going to take 8 ounces of our cottage cheese. This is 16 ounces, so we're gonna take about half of it. That'll be our 8 ounces. We're going to add in some of our grated Parmesan cheese. Y'all know I'm a lemon pepper stepper. Y'all know I love lemon pepper seasoning. And whether it fits or not, we're gonna add some right here. And we're gonna add some parsley. You could also add Italian seasoning if you want to at this point. It's up to you, honey. This is your meal. I'm just showing y'all how I make it now. So we're gonna mix that together. Get into it. All right, y'all, and that's it for that. Let's get on back to this meat and see what it's talking about. All right, y'all, let's take a look at our meat. And it is most definitely simmered. You've had it simmering for about 15 minutes. It's looking good. It is looking good. So we're gonna turn our stove off. I'm gonna let this cool down just a minute. We're gonna get to layering our baked spaghetti. Look at it. Woo! It's looking good. All right, y'all. And our noodles are also done, our spaghetti. We've taken some of our Kerrygold garlic and herb butter and put that in there. You can see a little bit of it melted on in there. It's gonna give that some extra flavor. And like I said, we finna get to layering. We got a little cheese, of course, that we're gonna put in there. Y'all, let's get into this Italian meal. I'm hungry just looking at it. Also, it's been about 5 minutes. We are going to get to layering our pan. We've already went ahead and sprayed it with Pam. That way our spaghetti won't stain our bowl. But let's go ahead and start off with our meat sauce. I'll add that on in. Uh-oh. Right now that you've got that layered, go ahead and add your noodles. And spread those out. Okay, now take some of your cream cheese, cottage cheese mixture. I'm gonna try to spread that on out. Do your best to kind of spread that out evenly. Just do the best you can. See, it ain't gotta be perfect. Just want a little bit of that extra flavor. And at this point, we're going to start adding our cheese. Our 6 cheese is already done. Those little corners. We're gonna take some of our grated Parmesan cheese. And for extra flavor, we're going to add some more of that Kerrygold butter that we've chopped up into slices. Just gonna place that around a little spaghetti, just to give some more flavor. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Let's see. Okay. We're gonna keep layering some more of our spaghetti sauce. Add the rest of our pasta. And the rest of our sauce on top. Alright, y'all, we're gonna layer it one more time with some more cheese. Alright, time to put her in the oven. Spaghetti. We'll see you in Italy. Alright, y'all. That's what our spaghetti is looking like. We have made it to Italy. Alright, y'all, that's it for today's recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time on MK's Kitchen. Bye.